I want to extend our warm congratulations to the new chair, COMESA chair, incoming chair, President Ndayishimiye. Thank you, congratulate you for ascending to this very important role in our region. It is also important that I thank Kenyan President Ruto, who is incoming chair, for accepting to perform this function. These are not easy things, given that we have responsibilities in our individual countries.
This is his power. This is your power.
I assure you of my unfailing support and commitment, as well the support of the ministries, departments, and agencies of the Burundian government. You can count on us to lead our regional organization in the coming year. Once again, I sincerely thank Your Excellencies, the outgoing Bureau, for your invaluable contribution. I look forward to your continued support during my leadership so that it may be successful for the well-being of our respective people. Together, everything is possible. Je vous remercie. Asanteni sana.